Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, then go ahead and click that red subscribe button right there and subscribe to my channel. And while you're at it, click the notification bell so that you never miss another upload from me. So in this video, I am going to be testing out this product right here. And if you are in the natural hair, black hair community, you may have heard this already. This product is by Dark and Lovely, and it is their Go Intense color sprays. And the color that I have is actually mint condition. It's called mint condition, and it's makeup for hair. So it says that it is a vibrant color that pops on dark hair. Of course, my hair is bleach at the front, but my hair at the sides and back are still dark. They're black. No ammonia, no peroxide, no bleach required. So if you have naturally dark colored hair, then this product, it claims, is gonna work for you. Temporary color rinses out in one shampoo. Intensity and duration will vary depending on color and condition of hair. So it says directions: cover shoulders with a towel, shake well before each use, spray on dry hair 4 to 6 inches away from hair, reapply for more impact, let dry for a few minutes, create your own styles. So I am just gonna test it out and see if I can get some gorgeous looking color in my hair, because I love color, but I can't wear, you know, drastic, dramatic, extreme colors to work. So this will be perfect for me if it actually does work. So I'm gonna just go and get something to cover my shoulders, or actually I'm gonna put on an old t-shirt and then come right back. Alright, I'm back. So I went ahead and I put on an old t-shirt, and I'm actually gonna take off my earrings as well, because I don't want these to get spray on them. Alright, so shake it. And then it says 4 to, oh, it comes with a little nozzle. Alright, so it says 4 to 6 inches away. That. It is green though. I want like green. It is looking green. Try to get these pieces here. I want everything green. Y'all see billows of smoke. Let's go down to the sides. So I am back, and I have to say that I love this color and I love this product. The only downside is that I think I had to use quite a bit of spray to achieve this color, and I did not even get all of my hair. But yeah, I am a massive fan. I think I'm gonna go and get like all of the other colors and just experiment, especially when it comes to crop over, so that I can have like different color hair and just be rocking it, because I am living for this. So I hope that you enjoyed this video and this review. If you have, please don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up. And if you have not already, click my face right there and subscribe to my channel. So until next time, bye bye.